Did you know that some kids have powers that only work when they're truly surprised? Meet Priya, whose hiccups can magically transform any food into dishes from different countries. When pizza day at school accidentally becomes samosa festival day thanks to her surprise hiccups, Priya panics. The cafeteria staff will notice soon. Racing against time, she must find ways to genuinely surprise herself to control her hiccups and fix lunch. But staying surprised on purpose is harder than it sounds. Can Priya save the day before everyone discovers her incredible secret?